Hello my friends, welcome to this third video of the series about how to repair a leakage within the toilets. In the first video I already explained the roots of these issues of the leakage. I've also shown you how to manage the situation in case the little arrival tap is not working or not closing anymore. And I've shown you also a concrete example, which was a Geberit double flow. In the second video, I've shown you another model of Geberit, also a little bit complex, as well as a super simple toilet, which is very common, single flow. And in the present video, I will show you three different models. In a world of complexity, we need some diversity for making sure that you will find at least one model resembling to yours. And it happened that I made these shootings during my holiday time. So you see, even on holidays, I'm thinking about you, dear viewers. And we're starting immediately with toilets that I had in my first stop, which was in Paris. Let's go. I'm closing the arrival of water. Then I'm unscrewing here. So here I have access to the joint here. Just remove, clean it, and then it's done. Placing it back, always these little pieces. I'm opening the arrival of the water. That's it.
Et aujourd'hui, on va vous présenter comment installer un compost pour caca de chien.
The system is a bit different. And basically you just undo the bottom like this and you will reach the joint. That's it, my friends. Now we have reviewed 3 different models of toilets. Now it may still happen that you have this leak. In any case, the good news is that if you have changed the joint or cleaned it, it was not for nothing. It was a, let's say, preventive measure. But now if it's still leaking, this is related to the floater, because in many cities there's a lot of limestone, and this limestone is somehow polluting the floater and it will somehow grip it, which makes that it's not working anymore. And this will be the subject of the next video. So I hope to see you in a minute on Happy Hour TV 1.